She is a fire starter.
That's right.
She is an igniter.
Because of Donna, I have now experienced an amazing transformation in my life.
Followed her system, I followed her process.
I mean, I thought it was going to be stressful, but really it's been fantastic. I've enjoyed the whole process.
It was the single most important and fun experience of my whole life, and I've had a lot of fun.
Because of Donna, my book became #1 in a matter of hours.
Donna had absolutely mastered the successful self-publishing maze. She really does have it down to a science.
I learned principles and strategies, just like you will. I gained confidence and clarity.
For many years, I had a dream in my heart to write a book, but it wasn't until I chose to work with Donna Parteau that that dream became a reality.
I've been writing for over a decade now, and I've written many books, and not one of them has hit #1. Frustrated, I began to cry out to God, what am I doing wrong? And this is when God brought Donna into my life.
She was able to help me take my writing to a whole new level.
Her experience and expertise is beyond. It is so invaluable, and so everything that she did was so just right.
If you actually want to write a book that people will see and buy, well, you gotta hire Donna Parteau for that.
Donna came in and took what was near and dear to me and held my hand through the process and released it together out on Amazon. And as a result, I became a #1 best-selling author. I was so excited.
In my very first conversation with Donna, she helped me choose a topic, identify the audience who would read my book, and through a keyword search, I nailed down a winning title. Wow, I was on a roll, and it was super cool.
We believe that there's two ways to learn. There's mistakes and mentors, and we got ourselves an amazing mentor.
We did. We got to learn from her mistakes.
She's taught me things that you wouldn't know if you were just doing it by yourself. She saved me so much time, so much money.
There are so many factors into publishing a book that I was totally unaware of, and odds are you're totally unaware of, but Donna knows all about them. She knows the minute details to the big picture stuff. She knows who to contact, how to talk to people, how to get them involved, and most importantly, she knows the checklist you have to go through in order to get your book published.
Because of her program and because of her explaining things and showing me how to do it, I'm not sitting back, expecting her to do it, but she's showing me how to do it so I can duplicate this process now.
Donna has a way of taking what you have and helping you refine it, reshape it, and releasing it. She knows all the hidden tricks, the secrets that it takes to make sure your book, just like my book, will become a #1 bestseller out on Amazon.
If you have doubts or you're wondering, can you get that book that's inside of you out and down onto paper and turn it into an Amazon #1 bestseller? If you have the opportunity to work with Donna Parteau, jump on it, grab your chance.
And what may be stopping you is the know-how. How do you do it? Well, that's when you go to Donna.
I was truly shocked when my book hit the #1 in 19 different categories.
Just a little bit about the book. It became the #1 bestseller in, I think it was 24 hours. And it had over 200 downloads in the first 10 hours, I think it was.
It's been on the bestseller list, the best new release list, and the hot new release list, and the top 100.
I've been on the bestseller list for, I think, 3.5 months now. I'm on actually like 3 or 4 different bestseller lists.
Reach out to her because she knows her stuff. She's brought out multiple books, all been #1 bestsellers. She knows what she's doing.
But once you're ready, release it to my mentor, the one who knows exactly what it takes for your book to become that next bestseller. And I tell you, you will never be disappointed.
And I encourage anyone who has the chance to spend time and learn from this magnificent mentor.
She brought it physically into book form, and it is now in the hands so the world can see it. So thank you, Donna. I appreciate everything. you have done for me, for getting this out, and just thank you.
My hope of reaching Indigenous women around the world become a reality.
Take her hand and to allow her to lead you and to teach you how to make your book a success.
If writing a book is your passion, reach out to Donna Perteau.
She's put us on a whole different trajectory for our life.
She has. Thank you, Donna.
And we've got a wonderful friend in her. So we highly recommend the mentor experience with Donna Perteau.
Amen.
Thank you.